Assalamu alaikum, I'm Muhammad Rizwan. In this video we are going to learn how to create a controllers in Laravel project. As we have already installed our Laravel project, so let me open that project. Click on your CMD terminal and type here cd/zam/htdocs/ your project name. I named my project YouTube project. Okay, I am in my YouTube project. So I'm going to run my server. I have made a separated video to make you understand how to run a server. PHP artisan serve, hit enter. Here you can see on port 8000 my project is running. Let me open my project. Localhost 8000. Here is my fresh Laravel project. Now I'm going to make you understand how to create a controllers in this video. Open your project in Sublime Text, and then before going into this folder, let me get my project connect with the database. For that you have to open the env file and type here db_database, your database name. I'm changing from db to YouTube and control save. Open your database and like this create new database. Your name in the XAMPP and in .env file should be same. Just this you have to do to get your project connect with the database. It's very super easy. Okay, now we are moving forward to create a controller. Basically controllers are your classes which exist in the controller folder, app, http, and in controller folder. Here you can create your controllers. There is no difference between controller and classes as you have done C++ or C# language. It's almost the same, just we are giving here the name controller. Okay, controller are basically your classes, and in other video we'll see how to create a models and how to create a views. It's basically model view controller. It is a framework of PHP. That's why here we are going to learn how to create a controller. In the Sublime, we most of all use our CMD command line. Create a controller. I'm opening the CMD and again I'm going in my project, cd_zam htdocs YouTube project. This was my project name, and here I have to create, for example, I'm going to make a blog website. To make a blog website, what I'll do, I have to create a controller where we'll post. It's very simple to create a controller. PHP artisan make controllers and controller, and give here name blog controller. Okay, blog controller is your controller which you are going to create. When you type here this command PHP artisan make controller blog controller, and when you hit enter, here you can see controller created successfully, and in this controller folder you can see blog controller.php has been created automatically, right? The same way we can create different controllers, and like many classes which you need in your project, you can create through this way. Just go in your project and type PHP artisan make controller, big controller, or blog controller, or home controller, or message controller. whichever class you want to create, you can create this way, right? And let's open our controller. Here you can see it's a by default class has been created and which inherit the controller class which is given in this framework. And here you can create your functions, public function, um, like any function name which you want to give here. It's my blog website, so I'm giving here the name create. Like this way you can create many functions and